We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Gary, and today we're going to be reviewing Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder, and we're going to tell you why this is my favorite serum for over 12 years running. Yes, I do work for Estee Lauder, and I am so excited to introduce you to Advanced Night Repair. I pretty much have talked about it in every single video, but I don't think I told everybody why I use this, how long I've used it, and why I'll probably never change from this. So in this video, let's explore that with my Advanced Night Repair store. When I was 18, I was offered a job at Estee Lauder. I was a part-time night short for them, so I literally only worked 3 hours a day, 5 times a week. And sometimes I'd do full-time, sometimes I wouldn't. And I remember telling myself I was only going to work this job for a few months and then move on to become a gymnastics coach as I was doing before. But you know, I absolutely fell in love with cosmetics, and I truly believe it was this product that did it. This was gifted to me after our counter achieved a milestone success in business. They were probably gonna give this to us anyway, but to me, I thought this was the coolest gift ever because I knew nothing about skincare. This literally started my skincare obsession and journey. So a product that is so powerful, so easy to use, and just, it's very simple. Like, you wouldn't think that something this simple would do what it does, but it does. So let's get into what it is, what it does, and why I love it. First off, this is Estee Lauder's first serum. This actually started the whole serum sector in skincare. It's over 30 years old. It's been updated a few times, so we're now on Synchronized Recovery Complex 2. What's really cool about this is that it helps super hydrate the skin. It has hyaluronic acid in it, which creates the perfect environment for repair in your skin. There's antioxidants to protect you from damage in the daytime, like pollution and just environmental factors, and plus free radicals that are assaulting our skin daily, and this helps to neutralize them. So for me, I use this day and night. Let's go into what Estee Lauder believes about their skincare and why this is important to it. So Estee Lauder believes that skin cell damage is the primary cause of premature aging, along with environmental damage during the day. So what this helps to do is helps to repair the damage caused by environment during the day and the look of lack of sleep at night, because Estee Lauder was one of the first brands to do a sleep study to find that lack of sleep caused premature aging in the skin. So what this helps to do is prevent the look of that affecting your skin, because none of us get enough sleep. I'm the worst at sleep. I sleep maybe 3-4 hours at most a night, and it's really bad, and I've been trying to work on it, but it doesn't seem like it's changing. So I think this has kept me looking young for so long. Since 18 years old, I was using this, and when I was using it, people were always like, oh, you're so young, why are you doing that, blah, blah, blah. You know what, ladies, I hate to break it to you, but you need to start young. And if you aren't young, you probably look back and go, you know, I should have started younger. 18 is the prime age to start something like this, especially now in today's environment. This can be used by all ages, all ethnicities, all genders, obviously, because I'm a male using this product that's marketed at majority female. With all that said, Advanced Night Repair is for everybody, and I would recommend this even in infancy if you can, because it's amazing. Hyaluronic acid is naturally found within the skin. This is full of it, but beyond hyaluronic acid, there's also like probiotics in here, there's antioxidant protection in here, and an amazing technology called Chronolux CB, which helps basically, think of it as taking the rubbish out of your skin at night. Like the trash men are coming, they're taking it out. Your skin does all this naturally, but it is slowed down by environmental factors such as like pollution. Pollution is key here. If you haven't noticed, I've said pollution like 10 times in this video. And you know, just overall environmental damage and skin cell damage. This helps to repair that or boost your skin's natural repair process. So what's really cool about this is that it's not doing anything that's abrasing the skin or hurting the skin or causing any type of inflammation. It actually treats that. It treats inflammation. It treats like hydration issues, and it repairs. It boosts your skin's natural repair process, which I think every single person needs a product like this in their life. Are there products out there that claim to like resurface the skin, brighten the skin, help with wrinkles? Yes, but this, because it helps your skin do its job more efficiently, will help with everything. All key signs of aging are addressed with this bottle, so this will always be a staple. Even if I'm doing something like a vitamin C treatment at 10% up to maybe 20% or glycolic acid, I will always follow up with this hyaluronic serum, because it's more than just a hyaluronic serum. It's not just binding moisture, it's also helping repair and helping your skin work more efficiently. So for me, staple product here. This is patented until 2033. It's been around for longer than I've been alive. I'm 30 years old. This thing's like 30 something years old as well. 34, I think. So how cool is that? That it's still one of our #1 selling products in the world, and not just our #1. It's actually the #1 serum in the United States, and I believe in a few other countries too, but we're talking about the United States now here. So how cool is that? That something that is 30 years old, that started the skincare like serum category, is still dominating. It's still the #1 category of skincare items sold. So how do you use it? Really simply, just take a full dropper of Advanced Night Repair, put it into your fingertips. Some people like to do all 5 fingers, that's cool too. And we'll do something called the heart rate jewel. So start in the center of the face, work your way out, and just work your way down your neck. Never forget the neck, it's a part of the face, even the chest, but I always forget the chest. And sometimes I like to press it in, just to be a more luxurious and gentle treatment, and that is it. Then you follow through with your moisturizer and eye cream. And how simple is that? And what that'll do is repair the look of all key signs of aging in the skin. Personally, what I found it's really good for is if you have any type of like sunburn or any type of itchiness on the skin, that takes down the sensitivity right away. And with especially sunburns, when I started at Estee Lauder, I claimed that it helped heal sunburns. And it's not something the company claims, but I found it on myself because I was really bad about going hiking and getting burned all over, back, face, and everything. And Advanced Night Repair is one of the very few things besides like aloe vera leaf oil or aloe vera leaf gel that I could put on there. And I swear that thing healed my skin faster, so that's how I know it works, is when my skin was extremely stressed, the most stressed it can be when it's literally burned. Put that on there within 2 or 3 days, no peeling, no visible damage, so all visible effects of damage are addressed there. And the fact that it helps with like the look of lack of sleep, I can personally attest to that because look how young I look. 30 years old, not one sign of aging yet. Maybe like fine lines when I smile because I'm dehydrated and I don't drink enough water or eat enough water foods, but that's another story. I think I look pretty good. So this will always be in my personal skincare regime, and I suggest that all of you try it out as well. If you have not tried this, stop by Estee Lauder and just ask for a sample, or at least like try it on your skin. See our water demo. The water demos are really cool. When you put Advanced Night Repair on the back of your hand and spritz it with water, it literally retains water onto your hand, and it doesn't drip off like it would on an untreated hand. What's really cool about that is that you can visibly see how that hyaluronic acid in there binds to the water. And that's how you also know it's a really high-end hyaluronic acid, because there's other brands that claim to have high potency up to 30% hyaluronic acid. You do the water demo and it's still dripping off. So it's like, well, what is this even doing? It's not even working, and it's supposed to be pure. That's another thing too, is sometimes this outperforms those clinical dermatologist brands. And this is something you can just buy at any department store. So it is true luxury. I trust Estee Lauder science. They've been around for so long. They're a global brand. Many people have used it and loved it, and not this many people would still be talking about it 30 years later if it didn't perform. So this is why every week I have a post about Advanced Night Repair on my Instagram, and I feel like for the rest of my life I'll be toting around Advanced Night Repair, Advanced Night Repair, Advanced Night Repair. What's the key to youth? Advanced Night Repair is the key to helping your skin naturally repair itself. So if there's anything I forgot, let me know in the comments below, or if you have any questions, just let me know. Give this video a like and a thumbs up, and let me know what you use. And have you used Advanced Night Repair? Do you like it? Do you not like it? It's okay not to like something. But most of the times when I find that people don't like it, it's just because they're expecting like miracles on their skin. They want to look 10 years younger right away. They want all their wrinkles to disappear and age spots. But guys, it doesn't work that way. Start when this young if you can. If not, you will benefit from this. Your skin will help repair itself better. And the best way to find out is if you have weak, fragile skin, try this or the Advanced Night Repair ampules, which are amazing too. They're in like these little capsules. I actually think I have one here. Hold on, we'll do a cut scene and I'll show you the ampules. Before I go into the ampules, let's go into the eye matrix. This is also by Advanced Night Repair, which is really cool because it has 2 times the hyaluronic acid of the original format. I did a video on this, which I'll link in a card above. That way you guys can see that video, but let's just talk about it again. Put it under the eyes using the full length of the applicator and then work it all the way around. 360-degree eye matrix. This is really cool because what it will do is actually treat the look of like little micro movements, like when we smile, cry, laugh, you know, the little fine lines that we get there. It helps to actually treat the appearance of those, which is cool. And then tap that in. Notice how I say the appearance, because we can't claim that it's going to go down in your skin cells and like change the DNA of your skin. We never want to claim something like that. Even if it actually did it, without the proof, you can't be saying things like that. So we always say the appearance of it. But you guys, the appearance is what matters. This is like what people see. So next we would do the ampules. So what the cool thing about the ampules are like these little capsules or peels, which I don't think this will show up on the camera. No, it won't track it. I got a new lens, guys, 50mm, but it's kind of hard to track these like tiny things. So this little ampule, it's pre-filled with formulation, almost like a solid oil, or not a solid oil, an oil. But you just kind of pull and twist. I did one of these last night. You're supposed to do them for like 2 weeks straight. So put it in the palm of your hands. Dripped everywhere. Just massage that in. You can also press this too. I always like a good massage though. And the reason I did the eye cream first is I really want that to work. I want that to work in that area and not be like stopped by anything. I'm not saying any of the serum and stuff would stop it, but this is more stuff for the surface of the skin. What's cool about these ampules is they have Chronolux AI technology, which is anti-inflammatory, can't even say inflammation, anti-inflammation technology. So what's cool about that is it takes down any redness or irritation or stress, and we're all stressed, so your inside stress manifests itself in your skin. So when feeling stressed or your skin looks dull and tired, try these ampules. I like to use them for 2 weeks at a time and then use them as needed from there. There's 100 in them in the container for like $110. They're really worth the investment. If you've never used an oil, these are amazing. There's like a combination of different oils in there which really help the look of stressed skin. And literally after one night you wake up and your skin is silky smooth. I used these last night and this morning I just couldn't stop touching my face because of how soft it was. And I think that's gonna be my next favorite product on top of my Advanced Night Repair, my eye matrix, and that. And now I love like pretty much the whole A&R category. A long time ago I only liked 1 or 2 pieces, but now my favorite products, let's say if I do a top 5, I would say the sheet mask because it looks really cool, like that Tin Man mask. Number 2, Advanced Night Repair. The reason why I chose the mask over number 1 just because it looks cool. It's better for selfies. Advanced Night Repair is invisible, but number 2, Advanced Night Repair because it will repair your skin. 3 is the eye matrix because that thing's really awesome. And number 4 would be those ampules because they're amazing too. And then 5 would be the eye masks. The reason why they're so low on my list is because number 1 actually goes up to my eye area, so it plumps up that area too. But when I'm like driving or something, I like the eye masks. And they all have the Chronolux technology in them, so you know it's going to repair the look of damage on your skin, and it's amazing. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you use. What do you guys use for your skin, and what's working for you? Have you tried Advanced Night Repair? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you not like it? Let me know. I want to hear from you. So stop by the counter, come see me at Neiman Marcus in Topanga if you guys are in the LA area, and I can hook you up with a small mini facial and just kind of demo Advanced Night Repair and get you to love it as much as I do, or at least sample it, because it is something that once you try it, you will love it, you'll believe what it does, and you'll see the results quite quickly. And I think the best way to try this is when your skin is more on the irritated state. So if you have irritated skin, this will change your life. So come see me.